Yo guys, my name is Amirullah Hamdan and my matrix number is 2021115565. So today we gonna talk about chapter 8, assessing organizational information in data warehouse. So let's get into it. The first we'll be looking at is what is the primary difference between a database and a data warehouse. The primary difference between a database and a data warehouse is that a database stores information for a single application, whereas a data warehouse stores information from multiple databases or multiple applications, and external information such as industry information. This enables cross-multifunctional analysis, industry analysis, market analysis, and etc., all from a single repository. Data warehouse support only analytical processing, that is OLAP. So now we gonna jump into data warehouse. What is data warehouse? A logical collection of information gathered from many different operational databases that supports business analysis activities and decision-making tasks. The primary purpose of a data warehouse is to aggregate information throughout an organization into a single repository for decision-making process. Next is extraction information and loading, ETL, a process that extracts information from internal and external databases, transform the information using a common set of enterprise definitions, and loads the information into a data warehouse. Last but not least is data mart, contain a subset of data warehouse information. This is an example of data warehouse diagram. Next is about the multidimensional analysis and data mining. In data warehouse and data mart, information is multidimensional and it contains layers of columns and rows. The first one is dimension. A dimension means a particular attribute of information. Database contain information in a series of two-dimensional tables. For example, as you can see in the table, if there is a student ID, a name, and a program, that is an example of databases. Second is cube, common term of the representation of multidimensional information. User can slice and dice the cube to drill down the information. For example, in the diagram, cube A represents store information, product information, and promotion information. Cube B represents a slice of information displaying promotion second for all products at all stores. Cube C represents a slice of information displaying promotion third for product B at store 2. Last but not least is data mining, the process of analyzing data to extract information not offered by the raw data done. To perform data mining, user need data mining tools. Data mining tools use a variety techniques to find patterns and relationships in large volume of information and infer rules that predict future behavior and guide decision making. Furthermore, we now will be looking at information cleansing or scrubbing. An organization must maintain a high quality data in data warehouse information. Cleansing or scrubbing is a process that weeds out and fixes or discards inconsistent, incorrect, or incomplete information, such as missing records or attributes, redundant records, missing keys or other required data, erroneous relationship or reference. And lastly, information cleansing allows an organization to fix this type of inconsistency and cleanse the data in the data warehouse. Let's jump into business intelligence. Business intelligence means information that people use to support their decision-making efforts. The first principle in business intelligence is technology. The largest company today can create enterprise-wide BI system that compute and monitor metrics on virtually every variable important for managing the company. How is this possible? The answer is technology, the most significant enabler of business intelligence. Secondly is people. Understanding the role of people in business intelligence allow organizations into systematically create insight and turn this insight into actions. Organization can improve their decision making by having the right people making the right decision. This usually means a manager who is in the field and close to the customer rather than an analysis rich in data but poor in experience. Lastly is culture. A key responsibility of executive is to shape and manage corporate culture. The extent to which the BI attitude flourishes in an organization depends in a large part on the organization culture. That's bring an end to my representation. I hope we all can learn a thing or two by my presentation. That's all for today. Ara ara, sayonara.